Hello, my name is Bryce. My teammates are Jay, Chi, and Todd, and we are GreenCommute. We are on the productivity track, and we are doing the Chevron, SLB, Streamlit, Google Cloud, GitHub, and D2K challenges. Our web application syncs with your Google Calendar, tracks your environmental choices based on travel, and compares your carbon footprint with others in a fun point-based game. We use Streamlit and Python for our front end, Google APIs for data on player travel, and Google Cloud's Firebase and NoSQL for our backend.
For the GreenCommute planner, this is the interface. We begin by syncing with our Google Calendar. And from the Google Calendar, we can import all the journeys that we will take for the next 7 days. As you can see here, these are the locations that our Google Calendar events are at, and this automatically converts those into journeys. And it also imports the distances, which we get from Google Maps API, as well as the starting date. These are all of these events are sorted by time from the starting date. And as you can see here, we could also select a form of mode of transportation once you have made up your mind of what method of transportation you would like to take in this journey. And for example, if I walk, I will be received, in this case, 105 points. That is calculated through an algorithm that we have that is based on the distance traveled as well as the form of transportation you use. And with this 105 points, as you can see here, we were silver rank before, and now we have upgraded to gold rank with over 1,000 points. And so with that, we have that is how the point system works for something like walking. You could also select a different method, such as a car. And in that case, you may lose some points determined by the algorithm. And that works the same for all of these events that for the next 7 days that you have on your calendar. And you can just log all of it here. And here you can see a graph of some of the data that you have logged in the past, and you can see here the number of points you get for each day of the past week, as well as a graph of the user average, your own user carbon footprint, as well as the national average. And here you have the ranking, the points, as well as the leaderboards that you can reference.
Here's the technical design of our app. We use Streamlit for our user interface. We use Google Maps API for commute distance and time data. We use the Google Calendar API to get the user's calendar data. We use Google Cloud's Cloud Identity platform for authentication. We use the SciPy library in order to create an advanced mathematical model to calculate points based on distance and transportation. We use Google Cloud Firestore as a real-time NoSQL database to store all user data. We use Pandas for automated data cleaning and processing. We use Streamlit Cloud for deploying our web application. And we use Plotly for the interactive data visualizations inside our app.
The real-world impact of GreenCommute is significant. Ultimately, a project encourages users to make greener choices, reducing carbon emissions and protecting the environment. In the future, we plan to expand our app to more platforms, add gamification elements, and partner with local businesses for better rewards. GreenCommute, where sustainability meets convenience. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to making the world a greener place, one commute at a time.